Hi, this is Pat Devlin with the Fran Campbell team at RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. We're over here at the lovely Millstone condominiums. I have an amazing ground floor unit to show you. We're here at the 7-mile marker in Gravois Mills. Follow me, let's go take a look. A majority of the units at Millstone are 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is one of the special units. It's roughly an additional 500 square feet bigger, has an additional bathroom, plus it has a bonus room that's being used as a bunk room. From the ground floor deck here, you can look out, you can see Shady, Gators, Toads. Just over this little hill right here is Tap and Grill. You can walk there. Right around the corner, we have the community swimming pool. Thanks again for taking the time to look at this lovely condo. Once again, as usual, please feel free to share these videos with friends and family. If you do have any additional questions, give us a call at the Fran Campbell team, and we'd love to see if this is the right unit for you.